In this guide, we are going over if mouse and keyboard can work on PS5 Rocket League or even console Rocket League in general. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel. It lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, the first thing that I would recommend doing is just make sure that your DualSense controller does work. You could see when using it, it'll be like moving up and down in the menu, and the PlayStation quick menu obviously opens up normally, which means your controller is working as expected. But if you plug in a USB mouse and keyboard connected to a USB hub, the mouse will light up and the keyboard will light up, and the PlayStation will ask you to assign the keyboard to a user account so that the keyboard recognizes both the devices. Inside Rocket League, though, nothing will control the game. No matter what you do, there's no keyboard and mouse option, and there's no way to change key bindings for keyboard and no mouse support setting. So after fully testing it, mouse and keyboard will not work on your Rocket League on a PS5 with a standard PS5 mouse and keyboard setup. Now, you can use like a Zen Matrix. That'll go ahead and work, and you can get those for pretty cheap on Amazon. And of course, that'll allow you to plug your Xbox or, console controller into a Zen Matrix, and of course the PlayStation and mouse into the other side of the Zen Matrix, and essentially just kind of forces the binds to, sit in place. But if you were thinking about switching to, mouse and keyboard on a PS5 for Rocket League, unfortunately, the only way to do it is through a Zen Matrix, and it's not going to be supported the standard way right now. If this guide did help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below, and we could help you out further. Have a great rest of your day, though. Peace.